Once again, Microsoft has released a disastrous cumulative update that is causing some serious problems. According to several Redditors, the problem with the October 13th cumulative updates start arriving the moment you press the restart button to install the update. With this update, users are stuck at the restart screen or at a certain percentage for several minutes, or in some cases even an hour or two. Well, if you are stuck in the endless installation loop, then we would advise you to wait for at least an hour. System crashes, unresponsive file explorer, printing problems, and audio issues are some of the troubles that the update is causing post-installation. As of now, Microsoft hasn't shared any word about the problems associated with the update. If you haven't installed the update yet, then we would advise you to pause the update for quite some time. However, if you did install it, you can uninstall it to enjoy a more stable version of Windows 10. Press the I button in the upper right hand corner to learn how to uninstall a Windows 10 update.